Far be it from me that I should sin against the Lord by failing to pray for you. 1 Samuel 12:23.
Welcome to this daily encouragement from Our Daily Bread. Care Prayer was written by Dave Brannon and read by Wes Ward.
1 Samuel chapter 12, verses 19 through 24. The people all said to Samuel, "Pray to the Lord your God for your servants, so that we will not die, for we have added to all our other sins the evil of asking for a king." "Do not be afraid," Samuel replied. "You have done all this evil, yet do not turn away from the Lord, but serve the Lord with all your heart. Do not turn away after useless idols. They can do you no good, nor can they rescue you, because they are useless. For the sake of his great name, the Lord will not reject his people, because the Lord was pleased to make you his own. As for me, far be it from me that I should sin against the Lord by failing to pray for you, and I will teach you the way that is good and right. But be sure to fear the Lord and serve him faithfully with all your heart. Consider what great things he has done for you." Care Prayer, written by Dave Brannon. A woman was unusually nervous as she sat in the dentist's chair. Family burdens troubled her greatly, and it was noticeable. Her dentist sensed her anxiety and asked her about it. Her story led him to ask, "Can I pray for you?" When the dental hygienist came into the room, she also prayed for the woman. 2 prayers and 1 completed dentist's visit later, the woman left the office knowing that she had truly been cared for. Praying for others is one of the best ways for us to show that we care, because it calls on the greatest resource we know, our Heavenly Father, to be actively involved in the lives of others. In 1 Samuel 12, the prophet Samuel was faced with the concerns of a very nervous group of people. The Israelites had erroneously asked for a king, and they were afraid of how it was going to go for themselves. The prophet told them to not be afraid and assured them of God's goodness as seen in these words, "Far be it from me that I should sin against the Lord by failing to pray for you." We also have the privilege and calling to pray for others. Silently sometimes and out loud at other times, we honor God when we petition him for assistance on behalf of others in need. Can I pray with you? Heavenly Father, thank you for the gift of prayer and the privilege of bringing others before you. And would you help us to faithfully lift up those in need, trusting your love and power to bring comfort, healing, and peace. Thank you, Lord. It's in Jesus' name that we pray. Amen.
As you go about your day, reflect on these questions. How can you provide caring prayer right now? What will it mean for people to know you're praying for them?
Aspoil kal omongang eng mula viakal mukar al se le korkau. Akal di import en merbelaw au ula batok e viakal mukar se erbelaw elang. Poto karikik kelbekla e dongui wa vei tel val expara kal ni lumer rau eradom ar. Kamsulang.
In today's digital world, is your business truly secure? A single data breach can erase years of hard work and trust. Don't leave your digital assets vulnerable. This is where Guardian Cyber steps in. As a service-disabled veteran and Palawan-owned small business, we bring discipline, integrity, and excellence to cybersecurity. We partner with you to meet your regulatory or corporate obligations, safeguarding your critical data. At Guardian Cyber, we don't believe in one-size-fits-all. We start by assessing your current data protection posture to recommend tailored solutions that fit your specific business goals and, just as importantly, your budget. Our core competencies include everything from governance, risk, and compliance consulting to incident response and penetration testing. We even specialize in PEP and high-value individual cyber defense. Guardian Cyber is committed to one simple principle: your success is our success.
We are a Palauan-owned business and a responsible member of Palau Pledge, dedicated to environmental conservation through more efficient computing and cybersecurity solutions.
Protect your business, secure your future. To schedule your assessment, call on WhatsApp 680-770-8779 or email at Guardian Cyber. That's Guardian, CYBER 19@gmail.com. Are you craving fresh, delicious fish? Looking for the perfect ingredient for your next meal? Then look no further. Ngardub Ingatbang is bringing you fresh, high-quality milkfish. Get your hands on premium milkfish, perfect for grilling, frying, or however you love to cook it. Available bone-in for just $4 a pound. And for extra convenience, we also offer boneless milkfish for a small additional deboning charge. Don't miss out. You can start placing your orders from January 2nd, then mark your calendars for Wednesday, January 7th, with pickup available from 2 p.m. Pick up your fresh milkfish at the Drop-Off Bar and Grill. Place your order, call us at 587-1289 or 587-5070. That's for calls only. Or for your convenience, you can text or call 778-5156. Fresh milkfish from Ngardub. Available for pickup on January 7th at the Drop-Off Bar and Grill. Order yours starting January 2nd. Call 587-1289, 587-5070, or text call 778-5156.
Subdra Godalda. Tia subdra tobdringa adalbada email rasyong may adalbada tablang chansol ngira lilda yadra el madu Ismail Akwon ma uroy sutan buro ramarang skaruno April ebida email ro arurang ebila tablang felistang ngira lilda madin moywaya Lili Akwon akmatargidra delma Akwon gaymen am los mer sera December 23, 2025 ematroga klal morngia gamdilel ra January 8, 2026 el di morngia Santos por a funeral mangayang lagim subdra obara gamsong valento igang rol mi armot margup delegat no gamsong ebira ngarie adang bangyar omelaw chun gamsong Marta Marcel Machoy Uegi mosubra bebir gidra hablar odoryo gemim ngaingiseu olegim subra ngalgal me udal adra ngarwisong lali ewatla ra ruat Paulinas Kang marbebir gaw me ngaingiseu ngayong lagim subra rimir he singatreda odal adra yung la Johanna iratreda ama Francisca Bleso klolad me ngaingiseu agidregram subra del song Paulus Way odal adra ngarwisong Rigo adalbay madirngar qasadla Maria Ulong me ngaingiseu ngidiregal spadla adalbang tibang Efraim ira itay o badal tabe el stomo machimaru o bakara ibu Lorenzo ngira molaw talala bulay gigo machimaru ma Justina Thomas me ngaingiseu mga lak lagim subra wong itay Matias Erbay odal adra orraw la Lidia Allela machuliat kuroda maswingli Akwon Tiragas padla ngal rayobey ngira yobey by Louis ngira tregda ebira lei Maria Ur Madir Ruk Faustina Ur Maruk mosubdra bebir gmiu emem ngaingiseu Angri lendirigal mesubdra Siano Tur Maruk adar Edith Elbelau ma Aileen Gumangay Tiragal spadla ru iwa Rosita Orak marbebir ngim gas subde mem ngaingiseu ngabegi mesubdra ibdura lei Robert Tutim ebira lei Maria Ur mosubdra bebir gide mem ngaingiseu Marbagim subdra bagarbaw marhens madrangar yad qaumeya Hilary Ubday Ertikulangskang Fleming Burrow Jesse Alfonso Mabigi Alfonso mosudra bibir gmiu emen ngaingiseu Aolagim subdra ginamgti elbul sadang Senator Garay Mariur Odalbil iblay ginawlaw Dr. Silvia Osar dirigal spadalar ngalgilamli Odalbil waisang atrol ralio atrol agidirigal subdra ginamdal abay Hari besebsa marbibiringi mem ngaingiseu ngaradeng spadala maurin guroda Andrew mlei Barbara Iskawa imengel malsol Gesara kim subdra buk Emir Marui madia diral mengel Herminar Marui ngirdongol ebir el madu Josephine Gingsho anguroda ma Elizabeth Osegde aira kim subdra singi gobde Simeon marngalgem ra Charlie ma margo wegi modang sangra gamsik marngalgem turmel running in Ariang nangisa mai Norman Elizabeth Igertang marbibiringi Odal adra ibay dilmay saiske mangalgel rayo leo saiske matchefriti timla machini nga morataryong mosubdra bibir gamiyo mim ngaingiseu Magim sobra tamadat Mariang, Maru Lel Andres Mafermin, Klulubak Tawai, Titay Peggy Tawai Hanser Marabibir Kamiu. Ramlungwe gim subra Marcela April, ibabang gim subra Gloria Masiol Marangalgel, at pangagiol ngit Rasiles Nginarmiang, maodal Marcela Ruluda. Orioring spadal Arangalgel Rose Kabol, dirumangyaw yoko Kabol, ma Benedicta Kabol ng hotel, Marabibir Kamiu, maim na kaing sew. Yagidirikam subra Arangalgel Alumisang Ngirailil, Draw Erbu, Chan Ngirailil, Kotip Thomas Ngirailil, na Clement Paulinus, Rangalgel Modesto Petrus, Ramax Mamel Petrus, Madrigal Odri Rabelia Ngirailil, Gidirikam subra Arangalgel Ayosiro Ngirailil. Agim subra Fred Mori, Bonnie Ngirailil, Edwin Atkel, Rangalgel Adwin Smau, Ratchino, Malien Smau, Agil Tur Radari Rayuni Smau, Melme Tir Loav, Emigwaing Sew. Rangalgel Amli Adalbara Tablang Yusina Wobeira, Ralph, Carson, Marosela Masami, Melme Mimgaing Sew. Agidiram subra Luisa, April Ngirakasaw, Shirley Ellis, Cindy Choen Mista, Wadalada Exang, Cynthia Salvador, Dirario Galistaya Manguchi. Pelilio agim subra baklol pire Napoleon madir rabo geigo nagamoravedor mo subra bebir gid nangatpa emem kaing seu madir galdweilin einer gol pasiora masang Santos Borja Funeral Home al date January 8, 2026 Thursday time 9 a.m. to 12 noon emo madakar ngar along o malmsulang ya Dios lom kaltangat ridrogui sain rasyong mail adalvaray may subra kamaldin gadalblad sa del maakon Loltob dernya rangim Sebastian Andreas, Delegate Sebastian Marino, Ngiroteot Eliaya, Yad Spuns Takada, Irbangal Benjamin Adelbay. Alam subdra kamiul takawat, ang nalgila dedril nga naikal belu, Robabaldab, Orior Mildab, Rakamaldile la del Maakon. Mlamos me Rakamaldin, Gadalblad sa Dimorngira Palau Funeral Home, and Chapel, and Ngarangat Kib Hamlet, Rablu Graiday, January 8, 2026, Elders Day, Longewal Orior. Makamaldil umura tutar 9:30 a.m. المطلي السيل سرا 12:30 p.m. يبدأ إلى الطوب الممدق رنغ الألون أجيك مالو رنغيت كمو مين بضداق إذن سطرير رنغ الجيل مربابي رنغير تيل غمالديلل ندي غنغ اليوق المألون مغردي موقلت موق الجيل لغمالديل ومغاد البلالسة نغ الألون أجيم سوب راسيس قبل سوق لول أذ مرنغ الجيم رنغ الجيل ملي أذ البارغ يوم ونغير أمات ترولي ردوايت غير أمات موضام رأول ذاك غير أمات كرامتو مربابي رنغميو رنغ الجيل مربابي رملينغير أوريغ ذا طبياس أقوان مغاس بسوب ذا مين غاين سيور تيل البول مانجي ولا جيم سوب راو إلديك سنوائي دعوم بمغاس بسوب دلو أذ Iblu got truman ngirmang memolingit angis rangal karawaspay. Sereng tulo posisang marudam rahustino masaksay maantiro boisek. Smi ahwana na store marbibiragaw ngas pasub de may nakaing sertel bula. Ngesara kim sub rangal gena makarti kotaro meluis ngirmaat kas pasub de may nakaing sertel bula. Ayra kim sub rangal gena ngirigiklang teriyong sa awas makayong ngas pasub de may nakaing sertel bula. Rangal gela adalad raira at sali adalbay ngas pasub de lo ade may nakaing sertel bula. Rangal lengin agad romat matura orat agi melwet matula mar iwang welt matula kas pasubdol ademim nakaing sertel bula rangal gelam nei other talwang Paules along la Senate President Hokons Paules mem kas pasubdol ademim nakaing sertel bula ebira klay modet Paules marangal gel agi gareldil kay Anson ginaged Robert ngirablugu marabibiragaw kliw ngirgiklang kang it's former President Chanton Toribiyong Spice Valentino ngirgiklang rangal gelam neya o Daniel ngirokbay buik Spice Chairman Daniel Rachel katabangang marangalgel ngalila Pastor Mokogil Solomon Roboong Raidung at Yoel Toribiyong o bakaradapkar Clarence Kitalong Mary Gold Diob kikarel tadip Timothy Dimaw dira maring ilidupti 6ay marangalgel dira ay tinagiulula badul melwat talay marangalgem tulay sa baltakada ngaramlungo ay yun ngitarkal ngita sibong lakius malsol mo adam na mayring malsol ngas pusub de may nakaing sertel bula rangalgel ar ageth si Sulyal uram owang William Ginagalaw marbibirgaw rangalgel France nginamkati radilyaw manginamkati France ngas pusub de may nakaing sertel bula kat pangagim sub radideb o kadat itong ngas pusub dula de may nakaing sew rigel rablut marangalgem ending klol ad marangalgem hasintang itong marbibirgaw rangalgel amlew eldigis alab rablut malins ngir umrang ginageth marangalgem kas pusub marad marangal ka emem nakaing sertel bula imaliga gyol tur kal kalaw sermong mat marmar katamir mong South Junior bagi moltur miol merigel kwal men usumam oriora gem subra odal ad agem Anderson marangalgel rayong Benjamin yob dingel yus Moses yob isaur mang saw komitatong madin merangalgem ngem nakaing sertel bula aliyo siya kadiri kan mitatong madin merangalgem ngem nakaing sertel bula dilwang amra Paules odal ad tutod ngin almaw marbibirgaw adal barang atibang Ephraim gira itay masubra bibirgaw Teodosia yu Patrick ma Josephine ulang ong inaboy mkas pasub lo ad emaim dang sirtel ng ulbule. Serafina de bulbot sa to marangal game. Rangal gel aleduy omliak lumkas pasub de emaim dang sew. Sariang olla Warswick marangal gel Orange Pedro, Sarah Conway Sked, rangal gel Sunday ilek mkas pasub lo ad emaim dang sirtel ulbule. Rangal gel amle daladra ilong isaol maalin sa to marangal game Deborah Toribong Rodiang Toribiong Smus, Nanumi Toribiong, Chewin Wermas, Rosemary Joseph, Brirey Blunt, Rangalgela Tiana Teleirubas, Rangalgela Hasimetley, Rangalgela Garmelong, Rolulga, Adeliget Mangur Marbibin Kamiu, Rangalgela Rium the Rarulib Anginino, pero ni kanginay bay ma-fermina isida. Siya sa kumamar bibirgaw, Apolonia Siprit Agustin, kaspasub dolo ademim na kayong sirtil bula. Rangalgila Hiromir Dial, Rangalgila Katsue, Sali Kultung na Juanita Obiang marabibirgaw, Rosang Kyosi Andrew, kaspasub dolo ademim na kayong sirtil bula. Dirat ngir Rose Musub, the Speaker Akoro State Legislature, Wells Awas Marangalgiw, Ngira Mariang Alexander Ramsik Marangalgel, Alexis Ramsik Marangalgel, Pastor Balgu Sandario, Niroteo te Eliaya marabibirgaw, Rangalgila Mlerungu Luel o Ips Armidal, William Siprit marabibirgaw, Raymus ngir maata, magkaspasub de mim na kayong sirtil bula. Paliliwa kimsub na rangalgila kalibra ko sepa, mainarya, mar adadra tula de dalil, rangalgila mlew el lool kaiting madris, magkaspasub dar adad de mim na kayong sirtil bula. Trigel mlo di kalabas ang klire madingil mukdawad, erong siti al sub na kamaldinela del makuan, magkaspasub de mim na sutri rangalgil, marbibiringi, ertil bulbong al sungul, makamaldin mo mga dalblal sa adi morngin adur stay long evalurior, January 8, 2026, lomura 9:30 AM, iabuldo ka laptop na 12:30 PM ang mamadak rangar along. Ako mungul maklapkal mo dang sa amoradama dal Dios, el nga makaltanga tem sa bakar gidrabek kalsilsa. O malmasulang, saan iyaad spoons takada.
Tial subadal mula ring stringi, at yakal spadel, mat yakal tigingel, maluub engul de swel at Yes Broadcasting Company, tiang aspadirar at lulul top dringi e haraorngi, koh malmasulang.
Subdra kamaldi na rungulbay kalistus ngirturong. Tia subdra kamaldi le dura rungulbay kalistus ngirturong, lultob dringi sa armidal Jeffrey Olgrila, iar laiter dolmers, kula udil bormental tul, madir rungulbay sariang timula, المرارغول دمام رقم الديل لارغول بايغا لستوس كيرتورون تلقم الديل لام لما ترقق المرنين فرايداي جانوري 9 2026 يتيول كوبسنجي لاغوت البوي لونغ يملوريور الدي مرنين رانغر غايا كوميونيتي سنتر رايمليك ستيت الامور اتيو كلورا توتاو امراغيد راتاليا الجيلز ماجيم سودر ببير غمام مارجيم غواد الأذل جيل تلغم الديل الكماميم ذالي مدغين يسيو ماجيم سودر تلغايد الأذمام ماجيم غاو قبليل Marangalgil amle dirungulbay redol ngirturong ra dirungulbay sariang timul marangalgil ra hasintatmat ibu utamingil tao atmat marbibir kamiu ringil singenari marangalgil agimiu na nakamura ma Christine nakamura marangalga tira ibu ematangaliang raklay marangalgil rakabidor maroy kadangil raklay Eric raklay marangalga Leilaning ngirturong raklay marangalgil rakailang ngirturong ma reverse raklay awadal ad kubari ngiray galaw marangalgil rangalgil ang irudal sang Basilius Mesol na Bernice Valerian Vernon Mavigar. Rangalgel amle dirungulbay tangle at pisong nganya away singit sa marangalgel na Valeri Saksa. Rangalgel asigang dolmers ra year later dolmers kiorung dolmers erina olgaril elentan rungulbay. Marangalgel erigol garil ra ace maabel. Rangalgel amle dirungulbay eriyong inatmab ra adreng agiwo sats koringila ngirakasaw ringila adugang inatmab motareng inatmab. Marangalgil abale la nginabatangal raway bale el Marican bale el multura del medio meimdaing seu. Rangalgil amne iar qaleb olgarila rasar midal i Jeffrey olgarila pugol blue segang Jennifer olgarila oya olgarila gayo kulche olgaril maglulaw olgarila. Rangalgil amne rungulbay yugiu at pisong raikisil at pisong miray at pisong mara mamle at pisong mat junior dialul. Rangalgil amle abina et pisong rakasaw et pisong Flores et pisong Otuel et pisong Fraser et pisong maflebit et pisong marbibir kamiu. Rangalgil amle rungulbay brigul ngiru elbad ra enita et pisong marangalgil tareng the may marangalgil rangalgil alusi brigul rangalgil dilisa brigul makreos matalto brigul rangalgil amle dil gaswal edir agmur onglim veltem raspigir lucio bagarbaw eri leli o bagarbaw mongami Madilom sa tem marbibir kamiu. Rangalgil angir babul ngir ulbad ra Ernest ngir babul marabin ngir babul. Rangalgil a siksay ngir ulbad ra malgarbesk siksay marangalgil. Rangalgil ang damang harwar Howard Uel, Hanson Uel, Madilbos Uel. Rangalgil angir ulbad siksay ra Deolinda Erongla, Wilfred ngir ulbad, Aldrin siksay, Fabio siksay marbibir kamiu. O idudul siksay mangalgel ra Stephanie Stebano. Rangalgel masahiro siksay ra dilway ngidaiwet mawarden siksay marbibir kamiu. Rangalgel masami siksay ra ngidai Ray Dwight Masami, Sophia Sid, Shelby Masami, Clifford Masami, Mangalvin Masami marbibir kau. Rangalgel masako siksay ra betir mongami godep machani mongami marangal. Rangalgel malsol ngiru albadra awadra dibu malsol marangalgel dirata malsol rirei marangalgel. Rangalgel arong ol raul ra alid khazuyuki rong ol marangalgel marur rudel bab rong ol marangalgel. Rangalgel amar kungail o raul ra ribak Agnes marungail. Diliab dus ngabarda ma blanca marungail marbibir kamiu. Rangalgel adiratrang makogil marangalgel aron mi obak ra rei obak ri marbibir ngi. Madra ingirang Larry Mamis marangalgel, Endi Mion ngirgalaw marangalgel ra Warli, Tijon Algaril marangalgel ra Omgar, Rangalgel aklol dir aged, Raku kumay umayam marangalgel, Ongalibel Stefanus marangalgel, Limasang aged marangalgel, Adel Belu madraisaur aged marangalgel, Chan Padreir aged, Klendar aged, Rangalgel osawir ng hotel ra Williander ng hotel marangalgel, Chung hotel, Rangalgel amne di edil irik la sikyang besel adra rangalgel armo kota besel adra Herson ngira irik marbibir kau. Rangalgel aya orong besel ad, rangalgel amotol besel ad, rangalgel adir rebab mangayolt. Ralau Isidoro ilamlong marangalgel, el angin lamlong marangalgel, tarmau hai marangalgel marbibir kamiu. Rangalgel arubiang iru ulbadra el marubiang marangalgel. Rangalgel amlet rut arar aiban rubiang ratu marang rubiang marbibiringi. Rangalgel amle rungul bay alab radira idung omdid rungul so aladao marbibiringi tirai rabai Salome Kirk olsing ialap noe alap yong ialap mayalap ialap rangalgel igisang taltul ra odal adulay taltul simer matkula udul bormen taltul tilden saburot taltul mangidrong lena taltul rangalgel gatosang iru albadra nigi gatosang marbibirgaw rangalgel amle dir iwang smesang ratwaw radlain ringang Sandra Henry Masem ratwaw Rangalgel ayob amrar ayung ulpen chamin yob Emil Abbas Marigold yob masub dar bibir kami mangal gemim dakaing siu Rangalgel atal matang ratres sililaw masub dar bibir kau mangal Rangalgel angira itay ra adal bay ra tibang Efraim ngira itay masub dar bibir kau mangal gemim dakaing siu ngira kamo Andres madraisaw gimultro orgail merang gem melasumam Oligor Gaswal Senator Stevenson Quarte masub dar bibir kau gemim dakaing siu Ngir ongor rigim all masudra birgi de mem ngang sirtel bula. Agidre kal masudra spusol ngira along maodal raitrir ma liman man chani magaspuso de mem ngang seu. Ndire kal spadala ngira tangadi Wilbert ngira kamrang maoda mana Naomi magaspuso de lo ade mem ngang seu. Agidre kal masudra awadal adar melong al bigi ganai mar masaw de borro mem ngang sirtel bula. Agidre kal masudra adal bay luriol benar ngira bay maodal ad kubari ngira galaw mem ngang seu. Idri kam subra rangalgel at takadasang mo meim dakaing seu. Ira au bisur kanay madira au emerit takaradala magaspa subra meim dali madakaing seu tel bugula. Ag idri kam subra adra bital ta chirumang irmang ma moyad Christina Ouret Amor mo subra adad marangal meim dakaing seu tel bugula. Yabalilio agim subra ngul Eric Saburo ong eim Jackson ginangas rukubay mayumirimligam ong etiu haim regisiwang mo meim dakaing seu tel bugula. Ang ayaw ragim subdran ngul yusim magoy ong aim Captain Armin Raymond the rubay sanae ti magoy maong itiu Hector tatingal kung mamayim na kayong iserte albula. Tokobet sa sudamur arakmur rungul masahiro madil sa araymur Lorian Meriang arur gibon sa masahiro madil rut arar kamril sa sao mo sudra atadamangal gamayim na kayong isiw. Karok kuya balilay Anastasio ka ma dir erang Leslie balilay adatchi mayim na alim na kayong iserte albula. Lawrence katapangang mo subdar adat nangilawen ti magenti mayim na kayong isiw. Hindi ka suda mortigal at mamam regal kablil baldok klorio at kumamayim na kayong isiw ti albula. Morio ring spadlar uldak libuli taler mabilong dir uldak Gloria Sali mo subdar adat marangal gamayim na kayong isiw. Yang ramlungo yung spadalang yurturong chansong yamal kumamayim na kayong isiw da alim ti albula. Karolong spadala awang rete Matias Erbay maodal adli di alle ti albula. Ya oriora kim subra mamang regol mo mamayim na kayong isiw ti albula. Agidri kalm subra Senator Hawkins Paules mangiri etet no bertianol kung may no subra adad may dalim ti albula. Aoling spadala klor o lablu miwata mo subra adad may nakaing sew. Agidri kalm subra kal mesep Salvador Remota mo subra bibir kal may nakaing sew. Esareng spadala ginakabo Andres Madraisaw maodal adi long Marsil mo subra adad rakabo may nakaing sew. Agidire kam subdra u Ramadan de me obak marwong Juliana takriu mo me mo subdra adadar ongal emem draing seu. Malwai sei en wai gel mlam durba mo mal dile ngal adadar angul bai galistus ngirturong amorngir etun kop singila hotel buila Friday January 9 2026 rangar gaya community center Ablurem League. Medibo da kaswester selsil so kompmal sulang yeru bakal dios ram kaltanga tergidro gui. Sain as armidal Jeffrey Olgril. Tia sudro todringay adar telwang Simeon Obradong el Shalom et Pisong runguram oang William Giray Galaw i adra may Eliayob runge el Simon Derbay madaran tul se itzrayum da maruli bak angel linorium da el gire langamal dile la targidra rungulbay galistus ngirturong motor ka klal motobra Friday January 9 2026 abaldog la tobra morga ra etiuklog ra tutau el mura emeli community center mga maldi ilmo eruklog ra talialtil se mamadakla palwaisya gim subdra adamam ra galbek kalbluk mamim da alim da ngain seur tial sungula targid mangrana da gim subdra gal ngira idong sexual da mo subdra adad mangal gemim da alim da ngain seu Ramlungwe gim subdra gal nguram oang William Giray Galaw mading lod rosani abia mo subdra adad mangal gemim da ngain seu Kidre gam subdra skang moded machesi moded el mo subdra bebir gamiu emim da ngain seu Ya ilaqat spedek ngali adar telwang Simeon Obradong am subdra gal eol ringil madalaraq madaqtar ngira isaw mogol mo subdra bibir gaw emem da alim da ngain seu ngat pangagim subdra ngalgila Victoria Uto ngira ramyang Rasiles ngira ramyang ma Marcela Olwa al mo subdra bibir gamiu emem da ngain seu agi dirgal mo subdra sa awas ngira kasol may desil mo subdra bibir gaw emem da alim da ngain seu agi dirgal mo subdra ngalgila Itrong Ratino ngira aged mspada trira ngalgila mlerngel tumrang radorsia sablan marangalgila tomoichi tumrang raulai tomoichi mar bebirengi emem da alim da ngain seu Agindri al subdra Michael Blodag, Mangalgila Martin Blodag, Ralorna Martin, Mawin Martin, Moltura del Muemem da Gain-seu. Ay meliga eliak al togobat sa spadama morgal di rungol bay sariang timul, al kuma subdra radad marangal gemem da alim da Gain-seu. Agindri al subdra gal ringel Simon Derbay, Madir ringel Agustina Aluel, mo subdra radad marangal gralui emem da alim da Gain-seu. Agindri al subdra ngalgila ngirturong radir raibu amadang liang raklay, Marigel Nakamura, mo subdra radad marangal gemem da alim eda kaing seu. Agi dir kalm subdra ngalgil amle dir ngulbay aryong ilatmap mgas pasubdra ade me kaing seu. Bakal kalep ngin ngabadangal ma chusuwang ngin ngabadangal me talim eda kaing seu. Agi dir kalm subdra away igsakasa mamay ngomar ngalgem eda kaing seu. Agi dir kalm subdra kal alit kasuyu gidang ol mangin apap rong ol me eda kaing seu. Marangalgil asigang dolmers la laitir dolmers ma elendar ngulbay mo subdra bibir kami me eda kaing seu. Agi direk al subdra ngalgila qaleb olgril adal bayra sagang Jennifer olgril qayuk al cheng iray galaw olgril ma Jeffrey mili marang olgril ngas pasubda meim da kaing seu agi direk al subdra ngalgila dira rois olgril at chogo du war sirenia mamis ma Marcen olgril meim da alim da kaing seu agi direk al subdra ngalgila ari radir ramtur klol tilde Isaac ma hili iri ngas pasubda adi meim da kaing seu Agi direk lolingi tergal brengs adal bayt kuma mega mar bibir gami im da alim da kaing seu. Agi direk al musubdra ngalgila kailang rasalong al kuma mega mar bibir gaw da kaing seu. Aira rabluring esang agi musubdra ngalgra asel. Bagi musubdra kal spis Valentino ngirikiklang maudal at takagurulog da musubdra ngalgila teruya Daniel. Marangalgila bakyar, marangalgila lali, marangalgila oral, marangalgila singgo, marangalgila tama etulop, marangalgila eulalia metes rakiko ngiringasang maralul ngiringang metes. Ngas pasubdal ad marangal ka emem da kaing seu. Ageda kim subdal gal karngel tesay mega marangalgem madalim da kaing seu. Agi diregal masubdal ngalgila Bersigra Steven Santos emem da kaing seu. Agi diregal masubdal gal asli et pisong maltur radalam na Helena Arurang emem da kaing seu. Ang rusara iliak kalspadek ngali adar telwang Simeon Obradong amorgaul rabal tageo ngirmugul loltur ragaw malmer ngalgem rangalin tageo marudal magim alim egim kaing seu. Agi direk al musudra ngalgila dir rangel Austina Aluel Rachinet Kuniwo Robinson Skiwo Roseberry Ignacio matokosang osilek mumkas pasudra main kaing seu. Murulwa lagim subdra ngal kabli rang artelwang magim subdra ngalgila genrad mamle ebil edil makasong ra ebil edil katsu everdong mo subdra ngalgem marabibin kaw main kaing seu. Agi direk al musudra rami itchasua aberdong o adro uld aberdong zilo ligong ramona aberdong mo subdra adad marangal ge maim da kaing seu. Arangal gelat matpabe agim subdra gal madran tul se itrium da dil tul Veronica nginay vai rulib angel inorium da rangal gela Patrick nginay wat ong de la mel rangal gela de la mel mobil rangal gela masayet tanaga marangal gela eichi mobil gas subdra ad marangal ge min rang seu arangal gela klol di lagi subdra rangal gela mli adar telwang singe wote ong magim subdra gal to go singe walarson mo subdra bibir gaw marangal gela hiro qorali sat mutul emeim dalim rang seu agidri gal subdra rangal gela mle ebi ledil gel dil raw el shalom et pisong odrai rose ngina trega mana mi et pisong mo subdra bibir gamiu marangal gela bes emeim dalim rang seu agidri gal subdra rangal gela asaw marangal gela mle adar telwang adal bayra dir ragar gurno nalowi mo subdra adad marangal gemeim dalim rang seu agidri gal subdra rangal gela ngatwaira rosalita ngaluk marangal gela mle ebi ledil sibong arbdul ra dil rulib el sitellei mo subdra bibir gaw marangal gemeim rang seu angat kibeng spadala mas aw ngira kasaw master dir mas aw ko ngerung ilmis ma diladal bay doran inabo mo subdra ad marangal gemeim rang seu agidri gal subdra gal o bagala dapkar clarence kitalong ak mameim dalim rang seu atto met spadam marangal gela urudla magim subdra rangal gela gawd marangal gela idu marangal gela rosang mo subdra rangal gela sabale meim dalim rang seu agidri gal subdra rangal gela tal matang ililaw ar ayong benjamin yob ariu agmul ililaw mo subdra rangal gela Johanna meim rang seu agidri gal subdra rangal gela yob radil abas mary gold yob mading lius moses yob gas pasubdra loane meim rang seu agidri gal subdra rangal gela ngira ite adal barang atibang Ephraim ngira ite madala la gulay gigumo chimaru mo subdra adad mangal meim dalim rang seu agidri gal subdra rangal gela smesang at bawra adalan ringang masandra henry gas pasubdra meim dalim rang seu a oriora blu rangar amay yagim subdra adra may elyayob mo elbil ragumra sena asuma mo subdra rangal gara eklbay rangar amay meim dalim rang seu agidri gal subdra rangal gela humia gibon sra la dili kwarte ma odal ramier kwarte meim dalim rang seu agidri gal subdra dil mala al rose musudra mo meim dalim rang seu amiun sagim subdra rangal gela ang atopta brigul ratareng mainita gas pusubda meim rang seu Belilo agim subdra gaul balang ulang wong mabilitang yo itsingewo mo subdra adad marangal gemeim rang seu agidri gal subdra rangal gela oligong arbdul radris chunewo marangal gela robat oligong mo subdra adad marangal gemeim dalim rang seu Klematela subda ulm trigel no dia almedun clear akmal dia bolum kitarangri au tagangla el meim dalim rang seu tial al sungula targid الترجل قوق مدي على سبيل المي هذه ضغلت كانو يا ديوس للمول ملبنجد اللي مقلتنا ترجيد روي ساين يادر تلوان سيمن أبردون والسياس شالوب اتبسون رمورام أوان ويليام جنايجلاو يادر ماي اليايوب رنجي السيمون درباي مدران تول شيء إتسريوم ذا مارولي بغانهلينوريوم ذا وسيسيول سودرا غمالدي ل المنغذ البلاد سرا رنغول بايغا لستوس نيرتورون التوب درنيا سرا يمول رنغول مساهيرو Arur gibon sa masahiro o si adra rong Alfonso Spesul madi dilon udoy meriang emlamot rogok madi mo kamal dilyo mga delblal San Marino Friday January 9, 2026 babatingin la motob dramor kalmura center ay maliga mongogi ti al subda gim subdi al ngitr kamiul da mamel may mata alim da ging sir til mamulbong al sungla targid darong baygal istus ngirturong Iwala gim subda adrang ngis ay giring as ay junior rulo da dil sa ay irong lagobong Madir mat arang takakuruluko sa masubra adad marangal kay mahim nakaing sew. Mangrara da gim subra madar nga bukot tamir mga South Junior mamle ay Barbara ngilang nga tabalaw. Masubra adad marangal kay mahim nakaing sew. Agidili kalm subra adad ay trir yuta kamangloy. Masubra adad marangal kay mahim nakaing sew. Maralong agim subra bakara ibukul adala labulay giku matsimaru. O adal tabel stomu matsimaru. Raad iya adra rey chusit tadawo. Maadal barang atibang Ephraim ngira ite. Masubra adad marangal kay mahim nakaing sew. O si sulsubda murabla raklay rang rusar rayray el musubda tu ermel running ira aryang ma ebi raklay moded musubda adad mangal gemeim dalim dang sirti albulo o si sulsubda loltob dernya o si adra rong Alfonso Spesong el murabla rang armelong el musubda rang saw David orugum ma odel adar melong bigi kanay musubda adad mangal gemeim dang sew o si sulsubda murabla rawrubaw el musubda gigrel tadib ma odel adra rawrubaw musubda adad mangal gemeim dang sew Agidri kalm subdra abakar kar Clarence kitalong masubdra adad mangal gemim dang isew. Agidri kalm subdra rabal tageong irmukur ma nginabin sa palayok ma odam ra omkatal ariu ra kamur mim dang isew. Paliliwa kim subdra emri wenti mar bibirgaw meim dalim dakaing sir telbula. Iliak spadel o si adra argong Alfonso Spudungla amarayat spons takadasang ma dirukopay masahiro mo subdra bibirgami meim dakaing sir telbula. O si siulsuda marablara edbatoy mo subdra ngalgila ingas pasungula ngis edeo at mol edeo marangalgila maresbang mo subdra adad marangalgi meim dalim dakaing sir telmo mungulbong al sungla targidra nungulbay galistus ngir turong. Tirkel at mamlo di dong clear ti al sub la mam kitarong miu e meim dalim da kang isort ti al mamul bong la sungul la targi da ngul bay galistus ngirturong al morngi da center ay mali January 9 2026 el Friday el Seals o mal sulang e Dios lo bol lo makaltang targi dro kuy sa nas aray mul rungul masahiro ti alo si sul sub da kamal di la top da nga ong ete Matias Erbay adray dikkel Albert Malangsang madalbara kayong yuhay merur rakamal di la targi da galistus ngirturong el nosmer será December 13, 2025. Pagmlamot ro kon motodra January 9, 2026 ra morga edim el malta el mora Emily Center. Pagim sudra ng algelam leong ete maldangsang, leong el mga bar, leong el merur, leong el taymasang, mam leong el Victor Joseph. Agidram sudra ng algela imtengla Chloe do naruo tadawong hotel Abril maiyong. Parang algelam leo del adel alila, algelam leo del adel erreang, algelam leo del adel isaw. Ralgel mne odel adel umay, ralgel Maria Isamu, ma odel adel lidia alle el marangalgel. O malmasulang, sain awong rete Matias Erbay. Tia subra kamaldi lortob dringyang ginakabo Andres Madraisaw, nginailal Sixtus Paloy, kaswal la Florencio Adelbay, ngirababol gawin Paloy, el masubra kamaldi larang ulbay galistus ngirturong, el mrosmer sila December 13, 2025, el mamatrok la kamaldi di morngin at January 9, 2026, longaim lurior. Nabdingin la moto dramor kar 8 AM el moray maligir ang arkaya ngamin diti center. Bagi musubra rokul ngal ka mar adra kabol ngomim dalim mertial ulbong al sil sergid mar ngulbay galistus ngirturong. Mang esareng spadala odol adra kabo ilong Marsil madra orgong ang ginamolaw makreos Nicolas ngirgalaw rulog Marcelo ngirgalaw kami norduen hideo tangala perano ngirgalaw Chabi May, ngirababol gabin Paloy, ngirakalsong adalbay, rdabang la beranor ngiragalaw, Sali Siskin ma Sandora Amay, Alice Sabang, Adiram A. Esther Alul, Martung Alisawat Tanabe, Evelyn Adalbay, Natalie Adalbay, Masyang ngiragalaw, Mosubdar Adadarogul, Telbul. Agi diregal Mosubdar di Rabis Madreis Kangotaro, Mamaim da Alimir Telbul. Agi diregal Motokobet sel Mosubdar Gal Maasrat, Ngasik Risong Saito, Ebil Veroniga Masayos, Mosubdar Adadarogul, Emaim da Alimir Telbul. Agi diregal Mosubdar Ngalgila de May Tamol, Raulang Tamol, Machan Mark Olgaril, Mosubdar Bibir Gami Emaim da Alim. Agi diregal Mosubdar Gal Junior Rigrig, Moolem Ranil Rigrig, Maim da Alim. Malgayag diregal Spadalar Ata Church Ur ma Dilik Rebega Esnir Maat, Mosubdar Adadarogul, Emaim da Alim Telbul. Agi diregal Tokobet sel Mosubdar Galding Elius Albert Jacinto, Dira del Vol Teclagode, Mosubdar Albert Ladad Martelbul. Diregal Spadala Ngira Mimay, Hidencho Gintaro, Amadal Bentelay, Madrang Ar Denis Jacinto, Ngatibu El Mocreos, Gaminor Genaro Peloy, Oligong Frutoso Telay, Iyo Toribiong Mocreos, Franz Telay, Raptang Trepkul Telay, Maclifton Boysek. Diregal Spadala Chulita Telay, Diraingas Magaria Telay, Elspeth Sebal, Esther Sebal, Tangrabay Boysek, Choy Obrang Antonio Magimberle Gintaro, Mosubdar Adade Main Dalim. Agi diregal Tokobet sel Mosubdar Ngalgila Dira Bali, na Orib at Joseph, Madrayo Walin Joseph, Maodam Rasa Yuri Isal, Maim Dali Mertel Bulo. Airang Spadala Marcelino Agustin, Ignacio Daniel, Edwin Peloy, Legislator Rigiro Barrio, Ongolong Daniel, Rulong Daniel, Chimi Daniel, Charlie Simeon, Reginald Agustin, Quay Peloy, Claire Peloy, Alfred Sigisak sa Maultira Agustin, Mosubdar Adartial Bulo. Dira Spadala Yusta Peloy, Dira Dairamiang Y, Discabong, Dira Leds Lucia Tiano, Miori Daniel, Dira Yur Miriam Case Araimul, Antoinette Merur, Rosalita Tadao, Edwina Pitagada, Carla Peloy, Sariang Rubario, Telau Peloy, Boley Peloy, Margo Simeon, Etbay Raymond, Betty Raymond, Priscilla Agustin, En Seng Alund, Dinong Rablun, Tebora Langata, Masubra Ada Rogo y Mem Dalim. Rablungwe kim subra Debora Ur, Masubra Bekla de Mem Dalim, the insert del Bull. Oriore kim subra Ngalkilam Le Mirai, Gabriela Girmangra, Ingirasu, Gregorio Girmang, Madil Prague, Elisita More, Masubra Bibir Gamu, Mem Dalim. Agi diregal Msubra Ngalkila Soleil Blue, Drong Irung Gambes Soleil, Marcela Soleil, mosudra bibir kami meim dalim. Dire kalspadala amas del Rigo Wihara, Odray Tosia Kildermens, Ayugo Sungyama, Susana Susigintaro, Teodora Esmiguel, Carla West, Kyoko Tingeluk, Siskawataru, Chudi Solang, Saralin Sungyama, Albina Tingeluk, Merly Cuarte, Deborangil, Rebecca Sanuma, Sherlyn Madraisao, Poli Madraisao, Deirdre Sway, Mormul Bedor, Lorraine Bandari, Belinda Eungel, Poli Madraisao, Miriam Ewat, Alcherin Ginagalaw, Evil Ulay Damay, Madeline Tingeluk, Sherlyn Madraisao, Maukong Nakamura. Dire kalspadala ugordeo Patrick Teley, Ngirurik, el Pedro Gintaro, el Diaz Ginagalaw, Saturnino Tewid, Libro Besong, Spasungol Masaw Bedor, Jason Sigig Soley, Maru Ulel, Aldrin Talay, Sharp Sakoma Masinesio Agustin, Kyle Ongesi, Justin Remo, Isang Tingeluk, Murphy Wasisang, Clarence Sungyama, Trepkul Vedor, Sisinio Ewat, La Esteban Gintaro, Troy Ginagalaw, Otra Vedor, Rire Adolf, Junior Damay, Omgilom El Peloy, Ginailads Peloy, Junior Isaac, Papirer Ginamolaw Peloy, Mosubra Ada Rogur, Kirel Tel Bul. Agidre Tobet sem subdra gal Baustinat Modrang, Madelina Balailes, Mosubra Bibir kami marada ni Main Dalim. Komal msulang edul ngi terbak al Dios lumakal tangat ridrogoy. Saen ang ginagapo Andres Madraisaw.
Tial subdel mulla reng stringi adiagal spedel matiagal tigingel malub engul de suela Dias Broadcasting Company tiang aspedirar adlul top dengi haraorngi ko mal msulang.
WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Hello Palau, this is Dias Broadcasting Company. Come and do business with us. Other media businesses, you pay GRT or PGST. We pay all taxes and you pay nothing. We do business and pay later. Masulang.
Tired of that city life? Looking for a place that's quiet at night? Well, look no further. Diaz Apartments are now for rent. 1 and 2 bedrooms are available in the safety and security of the Hilltop in Gurmid, located on the outskirts of Orior. Call 488-5771 to schedule a viewing today.
Diaz Apartment, the right place for you. WWFM is owned and operated by Diaz Broadcasting Corporation. Our office is located on the hilltop of Gurmid Hamlet, broadcasting on 2 different frequencies, 88.5 megahertz and 89.5 megahertz 24/7 with a transmitting power of 450 watt each transmitter. WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Ali ngariya malor udu subde de hatemem mera radio station madagulngit mamay bin masukaw makot egdilu si aspren eloya aselphone mal open den wargaw e waisen nuk ngomur oingrang e momrekor oingrang etela times ratal si se sign ringi esendringil either moya ka fax mora 4884420 malub ke sendringi loya ka email mora wwfmpalau@gmail.com ega mama recorderingi erulia invoice sendringi le korkau e auriul ega meharau ali malia moves loya de wargau le chosperingi elo aisergau maloba ngania harmam raspedem e aki call segi the number e mga do urgarau era ki bomrek mru raspedem ko mal sulang.
Did you know that MBTV is now broadcasting on YouTube? Yes, sirree. Just type in Diaz Broadcasting Company, click it, and enjoy all shows. Don't forget to click on subscribe in order for us to stay on internet. Yes, MBTV on YouTube. WWFM is now accepting your business 24/7. Just simply call us at 488-5771 from 7:30 to 5 p.m. or 488-2177 or 775-0441 after working hours.
Oisine. What do you mean, oisine? Oh, correct. Asahi Super Dry. Number 1. So smooth, so crispy, so fresh, and tastes good, man. In America, that's what we drink too. In PI, I tell you, pare, we drink it too because it's number 1. In Palau, we drink it too because you know why it's good with sashimi. It is sold throughout Palau. A Karakuchi Island beer, Asahi Super Dry, number 1.
Looking for Palawan oldies or American oldies or latest music? WWFM Music Store is open to serve you. You can now make your own personalized CD or download music to your iPod, MP3 player, USB, and cell phone. WWFM Music Store is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Call 488-5771 for more information. You're listening to station WWFM. Stay tuned for Fox News.
Locked up in New York. I'm Kathleen Maloney. Fox News. Venezuelan leader Nicolas Maduro and his wife are expected to be arraigned tomorrow after their capture in a U.S. military operation.
Ousted Venezuelan leader Nicolas Maduro now behind bars at this federal facility here. There are some people outside actually protesting the military action that got us to this point. I have to point out it's a sharp contrast to the Venezuelans we've seen celebrating the arrest of Maduro and his wife. In fact, video shows Maduro being processed yesterday evening by DEA agents. He appeared to smile and could be heard saying good night and Happy New Year. Now in custody, he's expected to be arraigned on a 4-count superseding indictment, which accuses him of running a corrupt and illegitimate government fueled by drug trafficking that flooded the U.S. with thousands of tons of cocaine.
Fox's CB Cotton. Venezuelan Americans in Florida are celebrating Maduro's removal. Fox's Andrea Linares is in Doral.
There's a real sense of renewed hope in South Florida as Venezuelans have been advocating for this moment for decades. Hundreds of people are expected to gather to attend a large rally here in the city of Doral. So this morning at Our Lady of Guadalupe Church, which serves Catholics in the city of Doral, emotional parishioners have been praying for the future of their home country of Venezuela.
We know that it's a complicated situation, but we feel happy.
For now, most people remain cautiously optimistic.
But the capture of Maduro and his wife by U.S. military forces also sparking protests around the country. Protesters coming out in Los Angeles, Dallas, Washington, D.C., Miami, Phoenix, and more cities. America is listening to Fox News. Following the U.S. capture of Nicolas Maduro, leaders from around the world are keeping an eye on the situation in Venezuela, many with mixed reactions.
Some are obviously very concerned, while others are much more supportive, including Israel's prime minister. Fresh off his trip to the United States, Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu had this to say.
We congratulate President Trump on his decision. We also salute the American military forces who carried out a perfect operation.
However, at the Vatican today, Pope Leo had a more cautious tone. He offered up prayers to the people of Venezuela and called for stability and harmony.
The good of the beloved Venezuelan people must prevail over any other consideration and lead to overcoming violence and embarking on paths of justice and peace, guaranteeing the sovereignty of the country.
But elsewhere in the world, Brazil's president said the actions crossed an unacceptable line, and China said the operation was a violation of international law.
Fox's Jeff Paul. A Kentucky woman's been charged with homicide after police say she used abortion pills and buried the fetus in her backyard. 35-year-old Melinda Spencer was arrested after going to a healthcare clinic and telling staff members she used medication bought online to end her pregnancy, which is illegal in the state of Kentucky. Police say Spencer admitted to taking the pills on December 26th and burying the fetus, described as a developed male infant, 2 days later in a Christmas-wrapped light bulb box in the backyard. Spencer later confessing she ordered the abortion drugs when she got pregnant following an affair. Swift authorities opened a criminal investigation into the managers of a bar where a New Year's Eve party fire killed 40 people. Prosecutors say the two are suspected of involuntary homicide and causing the fire. More than 100 others were hurt in the fire at the bar in a resort town. Investigators believe sparkling candles on champagne bottles may have ignited the ceiling. America is listening to Fox News.